Did you know there's 10 million bacteria in a glass of water? Thanks to its built-in UVC light, Liz destroys 99.9% of harmful viruses and odor-causing bacteria. Tap twice to sterilize your bottle or water and drink clean every day. Too busy to remember to drink? Stay hydrated. Every 2 hours, Liz blinks to remind you to drink and keeps your favorite beverage hot or cold up to 24 hours. Simply tap the lid once to check the temperature range. Every minute, more than 1 million plastic bottles are sold around the world. Choose to reuse. With its eco-friendly stainless steel body and anti-leak lid, take Liz anywhere you go without worry. Thanks to its 6-month battery, you'll never have to worry.
I founded NOERDEN in 2016. The idea was to design minimally smart devices. We started with a team of 5, and in less than 2 years of super fast growth, we are now more than 70 people with 10 nationalities, and our products are sold in more than 20 countries. We love innovation, and we always look for new ideas in our daily life. At some point, we realized our office was full of dirty cups and plastic bottles. We had to put an end to it. So we started to study drinking hygiene and habits. That's how the LIS project started. After 6 months of intensive design, research and development, LIS is now ready for production. Together, let's make it happen.
How about you? Where's your Liz?